Fox wants water. What's the matter? What? What? What do you want? Come here. Give me some sugar. You gonna bite me? What? What are you doing? Oh, wait, hey. Hey, tell me what you want. Look at me. You want water? You want water? Say yes. Okay. Okay. Since you said yes. But you don't get to huff and puff at me or growl. So stop. Good look. Is this what you want? You want this? Say yes. Fox. Sit.